Hello, welcome to my channel. So in the last video we did on the E.B.U.N show, I told you I was going to do a DIY of how I made this top knot bun, or Oniduro as we call it. So here it is. If you have not subscribed, please do that now before we get into the video. Okay, so let's get to it. This is my hair. I have small hair, Abby. Okay, so here are the products you need. I use Eco Styling Gel. This gel is good for both relaxed hair and natural hair. And I think Eco Styling Gel is one of the good products for natural hair. I know because I used to be on natural hair. But I mix it with the regular white gel. Then I recently got this. All these people did not pay me, but I'm just going to let you. Is the hairspray. Usually they use it after setting or after you've styled your hair, but I found it useful for this style. Then you need regular attachments, regular braiding hair. Yeah, so I have about half of it, like a whole pack was halved for me. And of course you need your combs and you need rubber bands. Yes, and that's all. Okay, of course you need water. So I have in this bottle my water and leave-in conditioner. Is my spritz bottle, but it has decided to give up on me. It's no longer spritzing. That is why I have it open like this. So let's quickly run to it. Comb your hair up. So for this particular hairstyle, your gel pack will not be here, it will be here, like on top of your head. Then when you have your hair in place, you want to make sure you have a tiny comb to run through it so that your hair will be properly laid. Then here is the rubber band. I double it. Don't make it too tight. So that is it. You don't need to braid the hair on top. Now the next thing I want to do is apply a little water just to make it a little bit damp for the gel. Before applying my gel, I like to bring out my edges. So see, I have about this amount to lay my edges. So the next thing I go in with is the Eco Styling Gel. If your hair is relaxed, you don't really need that much product. You need a little product. I hope you can see. Then I picked the regular. I think I bought this gel maybe 200 naira or 100 naira. I can't even remember. So I have this amount and I put it carefully all over my hair. I'm going to secure this one here with a bubble pin. Then I missed a step, but it's not so serious. It's this one. For the times I've done my top knot bun, I've used the spray first, but it can come now. So I just spray it all over. I use the comb. Remember, you have to spare your edges, leave your edges, then a brush. If you don't have it, I think my hair is neat already, but I just like, they say I love extra. I'm a lady with extra. Well, I can't deny it. Deny it. Okay. So naturally, if I don't have light, I just use a scarf. But now that there is light, I'm going to use a dryer. I feel the back needs a little bit more gel. So sometimes the gel is so thick, so I put a little bit of water. I hope I'm giving a proper DIY. Whatever, you guys didn't pay me. So this time, because I have light, I'm going to use this dryer. I have a very old dryer that has served me for years, but I'm going to use this one because it is special. They gifted me this in my daughter's school for Mother's Day. So the next is you take your braiding hair, as they like to call it. We call it attachment here. So some people asked me if I picked it. I did not pick it. I just left it that way. But I combed it out because I think if I pick it, it might be difficult. I'm not very good at picking. And you know that it already comes with this rubber band like this, so I just let it be and just comb through it. So I have my additional rubber band. I go into the middle. Do you want to zoom into that, babe? And just double it like that, like so, and I hold it together. So next, you've secured your rubber band. It is to attach it to your hair. So I go this way. You can zoom in, babe. And I double it. So this attachment, I pull it this way. The reason I spread it is because I want to hide my natural hair in it. But before that, I separate just a bit of the hair to a side, like this. I think I've tried tucking my hair. The next thing, this hair is so simple. Just make sure you're using your hand to run through your attachment. And if you don't like how high my own is, you can reduce the quantity of attachment, not the length. I mean the bulk. Is it bulkiness? Bulkiness of the attachment. So here we go. I just begin to twist it. So you keep twisting. As you're twisting, you're running your fingers through your attachment. I have a second turn now. I'm almost done. When you're getting to the end of your twists, you make sure it's firmer. Yeah, here we go. So lift it. And so we have it. So you remember we left some strands, a few strands of the attachment. This is what you're going to use to secure your bun. Yes, you don't need another rubber band. You don't need another maybe thread or something. But you have to note the direction in which you turned your bun. It is in the same direction. You're going to have this one secure it. Yeah. If you have some run-off strands at the end, spread this one, this tiny one you're using to secure your bun, over those ones that are running off. So now finally you have this little one. So wherever it ends, you need a bobby pin. This, just pick the end of it, you can't see it, and push it underneath the bun. Here you are, your top knot bun, or Oniduro like we like it here. Let me quickly lay my edges. The white gel, not the eco styling gel now, for the edges. Here we go. And now that I'm done laying my edges and drying them, note that if you do not have a dryer, just make sure that you start off your makeup and your hairdo early enough so that you have at least about 10 minutes to set your hair. So maybe you apply the gel before going to the bathroom, and so you use a scarf neatly tied around the head, and you leave it for some minutes. Oh Jesus, my babies are here. You leave it for some minutes, and the same thing for the edges, but just make sure that you do not make it so tight such that it begins to affect or draw lines on your makeup. So that's it, a top knot bun or ninja bun or Oniduro. Rate it. How did I do? Okay, so let me see if you can make your top knot bun yourself. Somehow I just gel with the top knot bun, though it's a bit tongue twisting because I enter a salon and I say I want to do Oniduro. Oniduro me a show. Alright, that's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. E.B.U.N show. Bye. Once again, take a final look at my top knot bun.